Hey, what's going on out there? Hey, this is Greg Napier coming to you again from my home here in Columbus, Ohio. And I want to just share something with you that I've been thinking about for a long time. And I know you probably came out searching for this and just probably wasn't getting the right answers that you were looking for. What are the financial benefits of being married? And I'm glad you asked because my wife and I have been married for 35 years and it hasn't always been easy, but it's been wonderful. I just want to share a few things with you on the financial benefits of being married. One of them is that you get to share the expenses. You have your job, she has her job, or vice versa, and you're bringing those incomes together to be as one. And I don't know about you, but when I brought my income together with my wife and we became one on that income, it was a beautiful thing. But don't get it twisted now. I came to the table with something. And what I came to the table was I already had a home, I already had a car, I had a great job. My finances weren't as high as my wife's, but nonetheless, it was good. But when we brought them together, it became great. Now, the financial benefits of being married are just one of the things that are just one thing is that you get to share your finances when it comes to going on vacations, buying groceries, everything that you're doing because you're sharing that those benefits. When tax time comes, you get to file together, meaning you get more money back. And if you want to learn more about that, you can leave me a comment below, and I'll share with you how we were able to save a ton of money on our taxes as a result of being married. Yeah, more than it would have been being single. Most people don't know that. Now, I'm not a tax accountant. I don't play one on out here on YouTube or anything of that nature, but I do know a little bit about that. I also know a whole lot about sharing the finances of being married because every time when we did something, we always did it together and we always looked at it, we count the cost and we said, hey, this could be a good thing here. Now, in the beginning, I was just a little stubborn because I was so used to being single, and my wife was as well, and so it was a little hard for us to do that. But then came the time for her to retire, and I was like, oh my goodness, she's gonna retire. Now what? So now we're gonna get an income from there, and then I'm still working, and then come along, I retire a couple years later, and then our finances dropped on the gross amount that we had coming in, but we still maintained because we were as one. Just think if I was single, or if you're single and you're watching this and you want to know what are the financial benefits of being married. Now there are other benefits besides being the financial piece, and in some other videos I may discuss that. And you just want to, if you want to subscribe to this channel, you want to share this channel out, you want to hit that notification button. I don't have all the little fancy tricks and gadgets on here. I'm just speaking from the heart, and that's the way I know how to do it. If you're coming on this channel, you're gonna know that I'm speaking from the heart. If you watch this to the end, and I promise not to be long, but I definitely promise to be strong. I have a bonus video that I want to share with you to where you can learn some more in depth on how it's financially beneficial for you to be married. It's you get to share you again. My goodness. I mean, just so many benefits. It's too many for me to go into on this video, and I didn't want to be long because I definitely wanted you to take advantage of that bonus video that I'm going to have for you. And also, I want to share with you. And remember, I'm closing up here, and I said if you stay to the end, because some of you may come in here and just peek around and just look a little bit and say, hey, I kind of know that. When we went, and I'm going to share with you, when we went to buy our house together, that income collectively together allowed us to get a bigger house. and allowed us to keep the house that I had before we got married. So basically, the financial benefit was we got to turn that home into a rental property. So we were collecting passive income because we had tenants coming in, and because of our income combined, we shared that income together. We were able to buy the house that we're in right now because of the income. Now we've been retired for quite some time, and we're still maintaining the house, and the house is pretty much almost paid for. I can share that with you why we didn't pay the house off. I don't want to chase any bunny rabbits, but there's so many financial benefits to being married that I just can't go into all of them. It's the tax part, sharing of the money, sharing in all of the health benefits. Because when you come together, your income, and they base everything off of income. Most of the things out here are based off income. And as you can see from the gray, and I don't know when you're going to be viewing this video, but in February I'm going to be turning 65 years of age, and I want to give a hand clap to all those who are clapping for me that may not be clapping for me, but that's okay. A silver senior is what the brother's getting ready to be on the 18th of February, and it's a beautiful thing. Now there comes some more benefits of being married and sharing those financial benefits as being a senior. I didn't even get into that part. I may talk about that at a later date as well. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you want me to give you some more in-depth information on the financial benefits of being senior, the financial benefits of when you're retired. But are there financial benefits of being married? 100% unequivocally, yes. And also, if you're interested, I can show you how to bring in an additional $500 to $1,000, not guaranteed, depends on your work ethic, on passive income outside of the rental income. Some people may not want to be landlords. I get it. But then there's a way that you can make passive income working from the comforts of your home. Yes. And I've been doing that comfortably for the last 12 and a half years, and it's a beautiful thing. And I can show you exactly how to do it. I have all that information ready for you. But first of all, I want you to click that link down below, and I want you to go over and watch this 5-minute video where I'm sharing with you some additional benefits. See, I didn't have enough time in this video because I know that you have time. Your time is valuable, and I want to give you your time back. So I'm going to say thank you very much for spending the time this with me. Now, you can ask yourself, what are the financial benefits of being married? Tons of them. I just share a few of them with you, but I promise you that when you go and do the research, don't stay single forever. I want to say I love you, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.